The type of exercise that works for increasing recovery speed, that's high intensity exercise. The type of exercise that usually accelerates people's recovery is high intensity exercise. So if you are not used to exercising at all, start by walking. You definitely need to move every day. You need to get that. And hopefully now that you've addressed the other issues that were affecting you, you can start to move again, right? And feel okay. But the type of exercise that works for increasing recovery speed, that's high intensity exercise. So things like interval training. Do you know what that is? Like interval weight training, right?
Yeah.
So your heart doesn't get to rest. You go from squats to sit-ups, to squats to sit-ups, to squat to sit-ups. So your legs rest while you're doing sit-ups, your abs rest while you're doing squats, but your heart goes the whole time. That's high intensity. Or like high intensity cardio, where every minute you run for 10 seconds as fast as you can, and then you go back to a light jog, then you go back to intensity, and then you go back to light jog, back and forth. Those kind of things, even 5 minutes of that a day, can dramatically increase how fast people get better. But you don't have to do it. It can work to increase it. But I would say start with walking. And then what you do is while you're walking, if that feels fine, then every minute for 10 seconds straight, just walk as fast as you can, or do a jog, and then go back to your walk again, and try doing little spurts. And they found that even 10-second spurts of speed has a better effect on people's metabolism and health than going fast the entire time, which is really cool for people like me who don't like to run. I can run for 10 seconds, but don't make me do it for the whole time, right? So it's really interesting how well that works.